Alright, hello filmmakers, this is Mr. Granlund here, and I'm coming to you live from Power Director. I'm going to show you how to do the clone video, which is, I think, troubling a lot of you. So I'm going to start by tapping on the main screen to insert some media. I'm going to record my video. So I'm going to tap on video capture. Alright, I'm going to set this in landscape mode. You want to keep it in landscape mode so it's sideways, and we're going to record. It's just sitting on my desk there. Okay, I record. I do all the actions from here as I record. Okay, and it's still recording. Now that I'm done recording this half of it, I'm going to transition over to the other half of the room and record that half. All right. So now I'm going to record, now I'm going to act out this half like I'm addressing my clone there, and I'm going to act out whatever my script is from this side. Okay? Now I haven't stopped the recording at all during the middle of this. I acted out both sides. Now I'm going to pause it and make the video. So now that I have this here, I'm going to tap Use Video. It's going to load it into Power Director. I'm going to push the plus button, and there it is. Now I want to double tap here so I get the nice big screen so I can see what's happening. Now I need all this garbage on the front end. I need that to be gone. So I'm going to tap it. My tools come up at the bottom. I'm going to tap on split. Okay, this stuff in the beginning, I can tap the trash can to get rid of that. Now, right as I start to move, I'm going to split that there. And I'm going to delete the rest of this video. Don't worry, we're going to get it back. Now, the way that we get a second layer is by tapping the layer button on the left side. It's underneath the music button. So it's like the third button down. I tap that. It brings up this menu. What kind of layer would you like to add? I'm going to tap the video camera icon. And since it was the last thing that I filmed, I'm going to tap on Recents and tap on that top left video track there and load it in there. Now what I'm going to do here is I need to zoom it out so it fills a screen. And I'm going to cut off. So I'm going to go forward in here. I'm tapping and dragging till I get to the left side of the room. And I'm going to split the video there. Now all of this video stuff that was before that split, I'm going to delete. So now I have this video track here at the beginning, and on a different layer I have another video all the way towards the end. I need to bring this towards the beginning so that they're stacked together. So I'm going to tap on the video, and I'm going to tap and hold and drag it to the beginning of my timeline. Alright, so now I have two videos stacked in what's called my timeline, which is down at the bottom here. Now I got to do one more thing to make sure that this plays together. I'm going to tap on that video track 2 there. And I'm going to find the effect or the button that says mask. Kind of looks like the Japanese flag with the circle in the middle. I tap on mask. And I'm going to tap on linear. Now as you can see, as I spin this linear mask around, it allows me to adjust it left and right. But you can see I have both of my masks, both of my characters there, my clones. My clone shot is just about done. I want to toss in some more effects. I'm going to clean this up. Delete that stuff that's left over. I'm going to add a title to everything. We'll do a fancy one. I'm going to call it okay. Eventually I'm going to call it not tap to edit. Ah, there we go. I tap it until I get to Text screen, I'm gonna call it clones checkbox. And let's see, we're gonna do one more thing. We're gonna add one more layer, and it's gonna be music. So I go to the second button down, and I'm gonna tap on the music library. And is this the music that I have in my phone? That's crazy. I am just gonna type in one of these breakbeat things, and I'm gonna just throw that in there. Maybe make that a little bit shorter, but there you go. That is how you create a clone video using PowerDirector. All right, good luck, filmmakers, and I wish you all the best.